Hi guys. God, I'm just waking up.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you
I begin
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never.
Hi guys. God, I'm just waking up. Hi guys, morning. How are you? In case you're new here, my name is Misswachera. I do everything lifestyle, a little bit of travel, a lot of cleaning, and my life as an internal auditor. So if that's something that you love to watch, I think I need to wake up. Hi guys, it's cleaning day, and on cleaning day I come to you very raggedy. So please, if it's your first time seeing me, I'm sorry. We look good over here, but on cleaning days I'll have to give. So in case you're new here, my name is Misswachera. Welcome to this family. Please remember to subscribe. Let's grow and glow together. So today I'm doing cleaning and I'm very excited. And in case you're not new here, you know why I'm excited, because today we are doing laundry for the first time until forever. Like, these hands are never going to wash clothes again. God, thank you, Jesus. So as you've seen me sorting out the laundry, you can tell I was a bit too excited with the machine. So I have not washed clothes since the last time you saw me washing clothes, which is posted. Please go and watch it, because that is the last time you'll see me doing washing clothes. From now henceforth, we are doing laundry. So I've started these clothes according to how weighty it is. I just wanted to see what I have. and the only thing that I know that removes paint is my trouser. The rest are okay. So I need to be guided on how to use a machine. So any tips that you know, please drop down there. But I know my washing machine has a set that is called mix, so that is what I will use. I'll just be putting all the clothes there. But I feel like this is a lot, and it can only take 10 kg wash and 6 kg dry. So that means it will take 6 kg wash, because I'm not putting and then removing and then it dries and then no. So it's just going to be 6 kgs. I don't have my weighing scale, so we're just going to eyeball, and I just hope I'm going to do it right. Because this is the first time I'm using a washing machine, to be honest. I've not used it anywhere. So yeah, so let's do this cleaning video. I hope you love it, and I hope it will be therapeutic. It's going to be fun and easy for me, and my Saturdays are not going to be occupied. From now henceforth, I'll be doing my cleaning of the house on Friday evening. So I always do them on Saturday because of proper lighting, because I want to record and create content for you guys. But once I get my bulb situation sorted out, we'll be doing it in the evenings, so that I can have my Saturday to study, because I'm planning on going back to school to do my masters. And yeah, so on Saturdays I'll be at school, so I won't have time to wash, hence why the washing machine is very important for me. So yeah guys, I'm so happy. Let's do it.
I do, just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, ooh, you're mine for sure.
Not the steps. Hizi nguo zinakaa mingi. I'm excited. Mpatia? Oh. I think it's going to happen. I guess. You can choose. Oh. How do you put it? Sit touch. Oh, ndio. Dati, niweke. Play with me. This is so surreal, like, the hell.
Weka jaza gai taki buzi ngare jaza hiyo kitu, jaza yote. In fact, hata ufai kuwa ukimwaga na hiyo, unafaa kuwa ukimwaga na chupa. Weka juu unaona yote inaenda kwa drum sahi, kwa hivyo hata utaona nikaucheka kitu imeanza kuingia kwa drum.
Hapana. Haiko nini ingia?
Ndio. Hebu nione, nafaa kwa ikiflow. Hebu.
Light.
Nimeweka kwa ile
Kwa light one.
Nimeweka hiyo kitu.
Niweke hii? Maana tumeina niko na ingine pale.
Usipime, weka.
Nijaze.
Jaza. Usiogope kutumia. nimeweka play.
Yeah, you understand?
Yeah.
I start. Content lazima itengenezwe. Sijaweka kalakacha. Nifungue.
Weka. Weka. Leta tukamoto. Haijafunga as long as hujafinya play ni sawa. Any other time ukitaka kufunga unafinya pause na stop, then unafanya play.
What's your plan?
Guys, since I started using hot water to wash dishes, I've never looked back. Like, it makes life a lot easier. I even want to buy that heater for my tap because on the left it's a hot water outlet. So yeah, to-do list. Also try washing dishes with hot water. A game changer.
I'm comfortable with your waist.
Ideal. First my bed existed, but fine on, no further questions asked.
Great, here I am.
Wait, here this is where?
Me? Aren't I your perfect roommate?
Ah,
I'm not a stranger. We're intellectually compatible. I'm willing to show where you're at. And your personality works which others find so more information using. I find you open. What do you think? Tell me one reason why this isn't a fantastic idea. See? You I just need my computer for my forehead.
good night. Okay. So I was just talking to Amy, and she made me realize that fizzle dust up between you and me is much too about nothing. That's all. Yeah, so all is forgiven, so come back home. I'll make you some soy hot chocolate, and then I'll tell you about our exciting new make your bathroom policy.
How's the face feeling?
Okay, Amy's decided she wants to move in with me, so I need you to come back home. You're not going to stay home. Good one, brother.
Hey, what's on? Because suddenly Sheldon wants me back because Amy wants me to Really? Well, too late, pal. I'm not going anywhere. We're happy together. Is that right? Like the happiness will ever be perfect.
Please, you know Amy moving in, much level intimacy our relationships are ready for.
Yes, that is a real thing.
Joyce, we face the crime, the accusation, just go back.
Yeah, who knows how you know we're done.
Is that right? She just done it to mention it later. Honestly, if I get that far, I'm gonna be with you. Hey, Rush, what's up? You're still at my mother's? You want to live your life like I was? Gee, I wish I could tell you that. Alright, well, thanks again for helping me out. It's too late. Same as for next week.
Here you go. I picked up Chinese food just the way I used to.
You want coaching?
Yes.
Your brown rice on my breast?
Yes.
Spicy mustard with burrito?
Yes, I did it right.
Yes. Amy, aren't you worried that us living together will take a mystery out of our relationship?
No.
Yeah, we
Well, Linda, check this out. I took the liberty of scripting a new outgoing voicemail message for both of us.
Hello, this is Sheldon.
It's Amy.
We're not home right now.
Because we have to decide, son. Leave a message.
You can live here.
What? Why? Isn't the message? I only use urban slang to sound tough so people can bring in.
It's not the message.
And what is it that I write? Everything's just the way you like it.
You did.
And what the hell, Sheldon? We've been going on for over 2 years. I got nothing but you. I watch your dopey space movies. I sign your ridiculous contracts. I just stop wearing lip gloss to make my mouth look too slurry. I'm the best girlfriend you're ever gonna have. Give me one good reason why I can't live here.
She's mental.
What?
She doesn't want to live with Leonard, so we have to live here again. She's the snake in our garden. She's the reason we can't be happy.
Ain't nothing. I was all set to move in the Sheldon, and now I can't because you don't want to live with Leonard.
Sheldon, what did you say?
I said the truth. You don't want to live with Leonard, you know it. There's one of us live with me.
Oh no, you're going to decide to move in without me about it ready.
I didn't talk about that.
And if you love the truth so much, why don't you tell Amy you want to live with her instead? Blame it on me.
I thought we were trying to get there. You're a coward. Well, the evidence doesn't work out.
Come on, Amy, let's go drink wine and talk about what jerks our boyfriends are.
No, Sheldon, I should move in here with you.
Want to catch up on some Walking Dead? Have you seen One of Lori Eyes? Or maybe she doesn't. Thanks to all the people who are doing better than being something ready to be together. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Except on a daily basis.
Luckily, I always had a good telephone and listen to it just to make sure we have you mess with us. It's actually very common as we make special on lasers because of this exact reason. Now I have to bring my voice and I'm calling you or something, but in saying that, I am feeling pretty confident in my writing abilities. So we do only have 3 lessons today, and as we're about to, we're just going to split out into 2 groups. We each have a so while we wait for the other girls to come back. You know, I will be having my own food back at the hotel, but this very sorbet was calling my name. I will say it was really weirdly sticky, like almost.
So guys, my machine, I've not washed clothes since the morning. It's now evening. I look crusty. I'm sorry. This is just how you just have to take me. So right now, my machine is showing me delays and it doesn't want to open the door even after I've closed it. I'll try again. Like the door is completely locked, but it's showing delays. And I don't know, the pipe there is wrong. I just need to clean this area. The fundi came here to sort the piping. There was an issue with the piping. I've had a good long day. It's a mixture of good and bad. So yeah, and my gas is also here, so I gotta be careful because I kwenda kwa baba. Let's see how we do this. We're gonna get a brush, but let me show you the situation before and I'll show you after. I'm not going to show you while I'm doing it because I'm getting overstimulated by how dirty the place is. So yeah, there's somebody looking at me. Okay, so yeah, let me show you guys. So you can see the dirt alichomelea hapo. You can see the way he left this, which is wrong. It's not supposed to be like that. He also was supposed to close this where we had initially put, so water was coming back. So I have to clean that, and also remember I have gas here. So I need to be careful, and I've switched everything off. My door is not opening. So yeah, into that, and I'll call you. I will call you guys. I will call you. Tuonane. I don't know how, guys, but I need these clothes out of here. You see, I swear it won't budge. It was completely locked. This is, let me know where the gas will go. Let me just pray that she doesn't drop it. I'm shaking. You need a duster in your life. You need a duster. Better, guys. It's clean. The mess is done. It's clean, and I have been able to clean and to straighten. So yeah, so let's see whether itafanya kazi. Okay, it's functioning better, guys. Oh, thank you, Jesus. It's going. Oh, guys, look at how my seat was delivered. It was dirty at the bottom there and also at the joint. First of all, it's not straight, like azijashikana. One is like bent. Ugh, it was dirty at the corners. Yeah, so Bed Palace, I'll rate them like a 6 out of 10, just because the seat is comfortable and they used like proper inserts. So yeah, and also the delivery was smooth, although late, but I was highly disappointed. I tried to clean as much as I could, but I will keep trying until itoke yote. And then I have an off-white couch, more towards the cream. So actually, thank God I didn't take a white one, although I still love a white one, but it will be very hard to clean, especially before I get myself a steam cleaner or a vacuum cleaner. So yeah, anyway, I love it. I'm not complaining, but I'm disappointed in how it was delivered dirty. Yeah, so, and I also didn't bother giving my review, guys, by the way. I don't know if you guys give your review, because personally I don't. Like, if I gave you work, I paid, I didn't disturb you when it came to payment, and then you decide to deliver bullshit, I'll just take it. Like, we are all grown-ups. So yeah, anyway, Ebu, before I get mad, let's continue cleaning. The unevenness of my seat is making me sick. Oh, by the guys, tell Bed Palace they did me that. I hate how not straight it is at the back. Oh, God.
Do you love me, Matthew?
I do.
Honestly?
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
So I'm just showing you around. I need to get a squeegee because no matter how much I try to clean this mirror, it's not responding. So it's the following day. Yesterday was chaotic. I ended up washing the house at night. I ended up doing like 3/4 of the laundry. So so I just remained with 2 loads which I want to do now, which I'm doing now. One is about to finish its cycle, then I put the last one, and then I go and dry them outside, because it's going to take a lot of drying time because I had like 5 loads of clothes. So I'm going to leave them outside drying and go home. I don't think I'll make it to church. I'll miss church because I woke up late. So, but at least I'll see my mom, which is the most important, because she wants to see me. Otherwise, ningekaa tu kwa hii nyumba. But that's it, guys. I'm so happy. I'm blessed. And thank you for staying tuned in case you've come this far. Nakupenda sana. Remember to subscribe. Let's grow and glow together. Bye guys.
Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.